Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Walmart out in the garden center. Oh yes, it's a bright, beautiful day to be out here. So come along with me and let's see what we can find. Alrighty guys, they have a lot of these hanging baskets up here, and the ones we're walking into are the wave petunias. They're $15.98. They also have the Nugenium impatiens. They're $21.74 by Better Homes and Garden. Okay, the Super Cal petunias are, this is a 1 quart size of the Super Cal for $5.47. It's hot or cold, rain or shine. So yeah, I have it in this beautiful purple, the magenta, and I'm sure more colors like this one. This is a different color. Huh. Okay, so let's get a few specs, even though we know what they are. Just let's get a few specs on just one. So this one needs at least 6 hours of sun. It gets 10 to 14 inches tall and wide. And let's see. And that's about all we're going to get for this one, for the Super Cal. Alrighty, so the wave petunias over here, they are $5.47. It is a spreading petunia. It makes a carpet of color. So this one is going to get 5 to 7 inches tall. The spread is going to be between 30 to 60 inches, and it needs full sun. Okay. We have it in that beautiful pink bubble gum. This 6 flat of petunias is $8.97 for a 6 flat. Okay. Alrighty guys, how beautiful is this table here? Ooh-wee. This table is by Better Homes and Gardens. Oh yes. So this is the Creeping Jenny right here, which is one of my favorite plants. And this one is $2.84. Oh my goodness. That's a great deal on this Creeping Jenny. This beauty here is the lobelia. Ooh. $4.98. I'm thinking this table may be $4.98, guys. So this is a quart size here. This lobelia needs full sun. It gets 10 to 12 inches tall, and you want to space it 10 to 12 inches apart. Hardy to zone 32 Fahrenheit. It blooms late spring to mid-fall. Oh yes. Really, really pretty. Okay. The beautiful caladiums. So the caladiums is a part sun annual. It gets 18 to 24 inches tall, and you want to space it 12 to 18 inches apart. So they have this caladium here, and they have that one right there, which is my favorite one. Yes. Here, guys, we have the pentas. It needs full sun. It gets 10 to 18 inches tall, and you want to space it 10 to 20 inches apart. Yes, it says thoroughly allowed to dry before watering again. Okay, so that's good to know for the pentas. Okay, so we see it in the red and the pink. Is that the yellow too? I'll get a little closer to see. All right, guys, here's the geranium right here. This is the bullseye here, and this one needs full sun. It gets 12 to 18 inches tall. You want to space it 12 to 15 inches apart for the beautiful geranium. Okay. Oh yes, this price sounds really good. Alrighty, so this yellow one here is a begonia, guys. It's Dreams Garden Bell. This begonia, it needs part sun. It gets 8 to 10 inches tall. You want to space it 4 to 6 inches apart. Likes consistently moist soil. Okay, for the begonia. How beautiful, guys. So guys, this one right here, this yellow one is really pretty. Looks like some type of sunflower. I'm gonna give you a closer look on the tag. It is $4.97. It needs full sun. It gets 10 to 16 inches tall. You want to space it 14 to 18 inches apart. Yes, it moderately moist soil water when surface is dry. So yes, guys, all of these are $4.97, and I love that price. Oh yes. Okay, so we're doing pretty good so far, guys. $4.97 on all of these. Alrighty, so This is a coleus here by Better Homes and Garden, and this one is $7.88. It needs part sun. It gets 16 to 24 inches tall, and you want to space it 9 to 12 inches apart. The zone is 11 through 12, and the cold hardiness is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so yes, this one is a 2.5 quart size here on this coleus. Okay, we also have this one, that coleus there, Gerber Daisy for $9.97. It needs full sun. It gets 6 to 18 inches tall, and you need to space it 12 to 15 inches apart. Oh yes, beautiful, guys. Look at that one. Ooh-wee. Those colors together are just magnificent. Yes. Alrighty, so here, guys, we have the Rex Begonia here at Walmart, and these are $7.88. So it needs shade 1 to 3 hours. It gets 12 to 18 inches tall. You want to space it 10 to 16 inches apart and water this one daily. Hardy to zone 13 to 15, and the cold hardiness is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, for the Rex Begonia, really nice. These leaves are huge. Woo. Alrighty, guys, so these beautiful swan baskets are by Expert Garden, and these are the caliber corals for $13.88. And we know these are annuals. Gerber daisies, these are $14.48, and this is a 1.5 gallon size here. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It needs full sun. Yes. It gets only 4 to 8 inches tall. Okay, stay pretty compact. The beautiful dahlia here. Oh yes. This one is $7.88. It needs full sun. It gets 10 to 12 inches tall. The spacing is 9 to 12 inches apart. And water it only once a week. Huh. This is my kind of plant here. Okay, so it's hardy to zone 9 through 11, and the cold hardiness is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh-wee. Water once weekly on the dahlias? Wow, that's amazing. Okay, we'll take that. Okay, so this yellow plant, guys, it's not the pentas, it's the lantana. That's the pentas, and this is the lantana. Alrighty, $4.97. This one needs full sun. It gets 3 to 5. It said 3 to 5 feet tall. Huh. And you need to space it 24 to 36 inches apart. I had no idea it gets that big. Okay. Well, that's what it says. Alrighty, guys, we have this, which is so pretty. Oh no, this is a geranium, Vancouver Centennial, 84. This one needs full sun. It gets 12 to 24 inches tall. The spacing is 18 to 24 inches apart. Okay, cute, cute. Alrighty, so did we look at this one? Let's see. Okay, this is the sweet potato vine here, and this one is the sidekick for $2.84 by Better Homes and Gardens. These beautiful pots here, guys, with the cocoa liner and the wire basket is by Better Homes and Gardens. It is an annual, and this one is the Mix Master, and it is called Tea Party. For $28.96. It needs full sun. It gets 17 to 19 inches tall. The spacing is 10 to 12 inches apart. And this one is hardy to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So yes, guys, that's a great table right there. Annuals blooms with color that lasts all season. Oh, beautiful pots over here, guys, by Better Homes and Gardens. On this table, so we have geraniums, and let's see, so this one is the sun combo for $21.74. Has the begonias in it here. And this one is $21.74 as well. So this one's in the white and the pink. More beautiful baskets over here, guys, by Better Homes and Gardens. Oh, yes, guys. Oh, Vinca is here, too. I love Vinca. This one is by Garden Experts. The Vincas are $9.97. And all the pretty colors. They also have the petunias here by Garden Expert. And by Better Homes and Gardens, they have these beautiful full hanging baskets here, starting with the caliber corals for $21.74. So, yes. Beautiful. The caliber corals are in the solid colors, and then they have the mixed colors. Okay, again by Expert Gardens are these begonias for $9.97. I love those prices right there. Yes. Two-tone petunias by Amore. They are $8.88. Yes, this is a 2.5 quart size, and of course, petunia loves sun. Okay. Okay, bees knees petunias. Okay, $14.88. Alrighty. I think I remember seeing this brand here before or somewhere, but yeah. They have their hanging baskets for $14.88. Alrighty, Walmart by Boston Ferns are $14.88. The aloe vera plant here is $12.98. So these knockout roses, guys, are $19.84. Double knockout roses. Okay, so this one is a 2-gallon container, and it is full sun. The zone is 5 to 11. The flower is cherry red, and it gets 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. And you want to plant these at least 3 feet apart. Okay, they also have Meat Petite knockout roses, and these are $12.84. $12.84 for these? Oh my goodness. And $19.84 for those. Okay. Now we've seen these, guys, but how beautiful. Beautiful containers here. Gloria Rose for $29.97. And of course, these are by Proven Winners right here. More of Better Homes and Garden. These are called the Confetti Garden for $28.96. And these are by Proven Winners, called the Bahama Beach for $29.97. Proven Winners, Bermuda Skies, $29.97. Okay. And this is the Sage Mirage Cherry Red. It is $8.97, and it is by Bloomables. This is a 2-quart size, and yes, guys, it is a perennial. So let's get a few specs on it. Okay, guys, so this one is full sun, medium water. It gets 12 to 14 inches tall and wide, and the zone is 7 through 9. So it says bold, brightly colored blooms provide early season and summer-long blooming, heat tolerant, spring, summer, and most of the fall. Okay, by Bloomable. And we have the Asiatic lilies here. They are $8.97. Gorgeous. And this one is by Better Homes and Gardens as well. It gets 12 to 14 inches tall and wide. It is a full sun perennial. The zone is 3 to 9 and minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms in the summer. Okay. The Pollinator I Love Sun Island Blooms Mandevilla Trellis in the color red for $19.84. Alrighty, so it needs full sun, keeps soil evenly moist. It gets 15 to 20 feet tall. You want to space it 3 to 5 feet apart, hardy to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms spring through summer for the beautiful red Mandevilla. Okay. They also have the Mandevillas down here, guys, in a smaller container for $5.84, and this is a 1-quart size here. Okay. And this is a 2.5 gallon pot right here, the trellis. Okay. So this is the cutest little cactus and succulents pot right here, guys. And this one, let's see, it gets 10 to 12 inches tall. It needs bright light, water every 2 weeks, and above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So, what is the price? It is $24.96, and this is a 1.55 gallon pot. Beautiful, right? Oh yes, low maintenance there, guys. The asparagus ferns, they're $14.88. More beautiful containers here, guys. This is Emerald's Containers Made Easy, $15.97. It has the begonias and the coleuses and the creeping Jenny. And this one, it needs part sun, 3 to 6 hours. Hardy to zone 11. Cold hardiness is 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms spring through autumn. Okay. These impatiens are really pretty up here. That color is gorgeous for $9.97. So they have that beautiful magenta, and then they have a couple of the mixed ones right here. The Kimberly Queen ferns, they are $14.88. Looks pretty good. They also have these ferns here. It's $14.88 for the macho ferns. Okay. So we have macho ferns, the Kimberly ferns, and the Boston ferns here at Walmart. Pretty good variety. Okay, guys, we have these beautiful hostas here for $6.88. Okay, of course, these are perennials as well. Okay. And yes, guys, that is it here today at Walmart. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.